Make sure you have the Max file Chapter 3 Road Outline 02.max open. In this lesson, we're going to learn to clone objects. We're going to clone the 2D shapes in the scene so that we are working on copies of those 2D shapes rather than the originals. A similar concept in our workflow to making our incremental save. We want to work on a copy rather than the original. That way, if we mess anything up on the objects we're editing, we can always go back to the original and start over. Let's begin by right-clicking in the top viewport. Right-clicking a non-active viewport will cause that viewport to activate while not affecting anything else in the scene. It's a good habit to get into, and it can help avoid accidents when you get into working in 3ds Max. We're going to maximize this viewport so we can work in it a little easier. Press Alt-W to maximize the viewport. We have our 2D shapes, Road Centerline 01 and Road Centerline 02. We need to clone those. In order to do anything, we have to select an object first. Right here, we can hover our mouse over the line, and we can see that it is Road Centerline 01. Highlight the shape by clicking on it. Click on the Edit menu and choose Clone from the drop-down menu. In the Clone Options dialog, make sure the Copy Radio button is chosen. This is going to make an independent copy of this Road Centerline 2D shape and leave our original. Instead of having it called Road Centerline 03, we'll highlight the Centerline 03 and name it Outline 01. This is eventually going to become our road outline. Click OK. Let's do the same thing to Road Centerline 02. Select it. Select Edit from the main menu. Choose Clone from the drop-down menu. In the Clone Options dialog, make sure Copy is selected and rename the Centerline 03 portion of the name to Outline 02. Click OK. Now we have 4 2D shapes, 2 that are the original shapes and 2 that are exact copies of the originals. Another thing to do on a regular basis is to save our file. We're not going to save an incremental file at this point. We're going to overwrite this particular file with the new information. Press Ctrl-S on the keyboard. That's the shortcut for save.